Greetings and welcome to the Rethink Your Drink Nevada recipe series. Today we will be making apple spice. For this recipe, you will need a cutting board, a knife, 4 to 5 apples of your choice, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, or 2 to 4 cinnamon sticks, a big spoon, and a clean pitcher. Before you start, make sure to wash your hands using soap and water. Wash the apples under cool running water. Using the knife and cutting board, cut the apple into large chunks. Make sure you remove any seeds. Add the apple and cinnamon to the pitcher. Fill the pitcher with 6 cups of cool tap water. Use your spoon to stir gently. Cover the pitcher and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You want to give it enough time to get nice and cold and for the flavors to blend. Once cold, take the pitcher out of the fridge. For safety reasons, remove the apple chunks and cinnamon sticks if you use them. Pour your beverage into glasses and enjoy! For a copy of this recipe and more ideas, visit rethinkyourdrinknevada.com.